right now.
Yeah.
We own the world now.
Ngayon, selfie tayo ngayon.
From the moment that we found our way back to each other again, I knew that God wrote our story to last forever. Will you marry me?
Yes.